may be opening up. A few of parks in Sioux Falls are a different story. Some are closed off after serious damage from flooding. KELOLAND's Max Hofer joins us live with a look at what the city is doing to assess the damage. Max?
Good morning, guys. I'm standing outside Yankton Trail Park right now, which is currently closed because of floodwaters. So those of you looking for some weekend fun might want to find somewhere else to hang out. The crews are working hard to make sure it's safe to be enjoyed. Not all of the water has been washed away from the parks quite yet.
Big flood threat seems to be gone at this point. There are still flooded parks, so definitely want to keep people safe and out of those floodwaters.
Crews have already begun clearing the debris and pulling sand from the grass. But the grass and the terrain is so rough that there's only so much that can get done right now.
It's going to take us a while. Some of the fields are in better shape than others as far as the sediment deposit.
Maris advises steering clear of the bike trails, as good portions remain either underwater or covered in debris.
The big ice chunks have melted significantly, but there are still some out there. And again, there's a lot of the bike trail from Western Avenue all the way down through the River Greenway downtown are still underwater.
Other hazards, from broken metal signs to flipped over park benches to giant puddles and busted power lines, make the parks unsafe for family fun.
For park patron safety, we just ask that you keep your recreational activities to the parks that are open. To find a list of parks that are open around town, you can find a link under this story at KELOLAND.com. Reporting live at Yankton Trail Park in Sioux Falls, Max Hofer, KELOLAND News.